Mexico trains in Montreal, and I should be able to catch up to that train when I get off at Dorval. There it is. Just luckily got it. Not really a great spot to see it even. It's about 6 o'clock p.m. here at Dorval. I just got off the train. Not often that I see a CN freight coming along, also westbound at the same time. I don't take the 5:45 train all that often out of Lucien-Laurier. So I'll take this opportunity to say that I'm going to be at the Expo Rail model train show on the 23rd and the 22nd, rather, and the 23rd of August. Hopefully I'll be able to showcase my new locomotive, my new SD70 ACU. The military heritage paint scheme there. One of the CP5, the one that looks like a ship, the naval one. And there's a CPKC train building also at the IMS yard soon, so maybe I'll get that too before I leave. And that's it. Let's see if I can get another train. There's a second train coming in. This is the CPKC one I saw earlier, as my train was coming, just coming out of the IMS. Oh no, it's not. It's a commuter train. Just like the one I was on, including the ALP45DP. Look at those building clouds. And this is the Doral plant here at Marshall Avenue. The tracks here are smooth and shiny. That means they've moved cars out of here on this siding recently. Well, they do have a few tank cars in here on that siding here at the Doral plant. Alright, doesn't look like there's going to be any more trains right now, but I'll leave you with this incredibly cool sky here on the 29th of July 2026 here at Dorval at Marshall Avenue specifically. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. And I got one more bonus train here. I got a Via Rail Siemens train coming through. It's coming westbound.